Assalamu rahmatullah. So I had the temperature right, which is 37.8. I don't know if you can see it clearly, and the humidity is 60%. I did mark the eggs, heart on one side and smiley face on the other side. At the moment of all the hearts are up, on the upside, and that is just to see the rotation, that they are rotating properly or not, as the machine is going to rotate them slowly as we go along. I think when we were doing it manually, we were turning them twice a day, but I don't know how many times this is going to be doing it. Let's see, we'll go along and learn. And 7 days later, this is the candle where we can candle the eggs and see how many eggs are fertile. And as we need to increase the humidity towards the end of the hatching season period, towards the end of the hatching period, we need to put another bottle there, so that's gonna increase the humidity. So this is it, and we'll keep you guys updated. Stay tuned. Assalamu rahmatullah.